What is up, you guys? Good morning and happy day 2 of Vlogmas. I am still very excited about it being Vlogmas, with it getting closer to Christmas, which is just one of my absolute favorite holidays. And I am honestly loving vlogging every day. It feels weird just vlogging my everyday life, but it's also kind of a lot of fun. I've been thinking about how to incorporate this into my calendar for next year, my content calendar, but we'll see what happens with that. If you guys saw yesterday's video, you'll know that I didn't have a ton planned to kick off Vlogmas, so I spent a little bit of time this morning just coming up with a little bit more of a solidified outline, so to speak, with Vlogmas, and getting yesterday's video edited for you guys so I can get that up. And then yeah, other than that, I've just been working. I'm taking my break a little bit later today just because I was stuck on a phone call, but I think my break's actually over now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get back to, oh, I didn't talk about what we're doing today. Duh. So I am gonna go ahead and get back to work, but today I figured we would do just a little bit of a clean with me. My house is obviously, as you guys can see, a bit of a disaster, and that's just the living room. Got all the decorations to put away. My kitchen needs cleaned up. I need to do some dishes. I need to get a bunch of laundry done. So I think today's just gonna be a bunch of cleaning, but I find these videos oddly not inspirational, motivational to get my house cleaned up. So I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, I'll check in with you guys either when I go on lunch or when I get off some. I'm waiting for yesterday's vlog to export, and I don't quite know what to do with myself because we're really slow at work, and I'm trying to save the cleaning to vlog for you guys. I might just work on cleaning up my kitchen a little bit because there's a lot to be done today. So I'm really over talking to people today. People have been rude and people have been dumb. Like, can we just not today, guys? At least I only have one more hour before I'm off, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of a break, watch some YouTube, and then we'll get some cleaning done. So I think we're just gonna check in with you guys when we start cleaning up. Well, once I got off work, I took a shower because apparently midday showers are becoming my thing. I hung out for Nathan a bit when he got home, and I spent way too much time watching YouTube. So I'm going to make us a late dinner now. I can't really, a little dark. But this is like doing that whole light thing. I don't know. But yeah, make us a quick dinner, and then I'm gonna get some cleanup done because at least our upstairs needs to get cleaned up tonight if I don't do anything downstairs. So we'll see what happens.
Just
had the beef bulgogi meatballs from HelloFresh for dinner, as you guys saw, and those were really good. I have never had bulgogi aside from HelloFresh, but I really enjoy the bulgogi sauce that they include with their meals, so we will somewhat frequently get the bulgogi meals when they are available. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and open up. Oh, it's lovely. You can see my nice new little friend I got. Bella, that's my water. Leave it alone. You have your own. I think I'm gonna go ahead and open up my advent calendar and get my kitchen cleaned up and go to bed. So let's go grab that. So when I was grabbing my advent calendar, I realized that I haven't done a great job explaining why I decided on 2 ultimately. So last year I got the sock advent calendar from Target, but they only had 12 socks in there instead of 15. So it was nice, right? I was able to open a pair of socks every other day, right? Worked out really well. Well, this year they have 15 socks, which, like, I'm excited because I get more socks, but at the same time, it's an advent calendar. How are you supposed to count down to Christmas with 15 days? So I figure I'll open this one every other day until however many socks are left is however many days are left till Christmas. Then we'll open up one every day. And then, because this one is the 12 days of glow face masks, if you guys can even read that, I'm gonna open one of these every other day. So because I opened the socks yesterday, which I've been wearing today, oh, you can't even really see them, and I love them, I'm gonna go ahead and open up a face mask. So, oh, this is kind of, I like that they had the window so that you could, like, see what was there, but I think you just, that's awkward. Okay. So today, day 1 is the rejuvenating cucumber and pink salt face mask. Hang on. Okay, I finally got it out of the packaging. I kind of had to rip it out, but I realized this is actually a clay mask, not a sheet mask like I thought. For some reason, I thought all of these are sheet masks, and I don't think a single one of these is, which I'm totally fine with. I just like, wow, Jessica, way to read your packaging. So, I've tried the Freeman face masks before and I really like them, so I'm excited to give this one a try. So, I think I'm actually going to go wash my face really quickly and put this on and then get some dishes done. All my beautiful blemishes. My freaking hair. My eyebrows. Well, I feel like I look a little ridiculous, especially because I just put it all over my chin. Didn't really think that one through, but I keep forgetting I have to, like, shrink down so you guys can see me. Oh, it's all up in my hair. My hair stuck to my face. But whatever, let's go get some dishes done. I was going to try to get more dishes done, but my face is getting pretty tight from the mask, so we're going to wash this off and then get back to some dishes. clearly did not go according to plan. I did not get as much done as I was hoping to, but I was feeling more tired than usual. I didn't sleep super well last night, so I think that is why. So I am gonna go ahead and wrap things up here, and tomorrow I promise we'll go ahead and do the clean with me video that I talked about today. And then, yeah, I've got some exciting stuff planned this weekend. So please subscribe if you guys don't want to miss a single video this month, and turn on your notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys haven't already, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.